morning, everybody. Jonathan Dykes again with Renew Crew Softwash. Today, Renew Crew is over in Hattiesburg. We're over in the Timberton community, about to do a house wash and a driveway cleaning. We got the tank filled up. This job's about to get started. Come along for the ride. So, right now we're just watering vegetation, everything all wet. Got some dark spots on the brick. Probably gonna soft wash that. Hit that with about a 3% mix. We got a good bit of shrub, so we're just gonna soak everything down.